can hold both.
Faster, so I recommend getting a Fly More combo, which we'll talk about later in this video, just so you have a couple of batteries to make the most of a location. Plug your phone into the goggles, and using the DJI Fly app, use the Find My Drone feature.
Confidence is here. Been down that road before. It goes without saying that me shaking my head doesn't do anything.
A few moments later.
So, it's 11 a.m. Probably later this afternoon pupunta ako ng office, but I'm not sure yet. It really depends on me. So, yeah, that's just how it is. This is my daily work routine. One thing with working in a government agency like this is that you're not getting like a lot of tickets compared to like my previous job, which is a managed service provider. So we have like thousands of customers and clients, so we have to like really like take care of the ticket every single minute we're getting a ticket. But here in a day you probably just get like 2 or 3 tickets, and those are like really simple tickets, like user can't print, user can't do this and do that. So stuffs like that, stuffs like help desk is unable to resolve, then they transfer it to me because I am the technical specialist. So I'm not really like taking every single request from the users. The tickets na mapupunta sa akin is just the tickets na hindi na re-resolve ng help desk. So it gives me a lot of time to study, do other things, and the stress level that I'm getting as a network engineer in my previous company is like 90% out of 100. But nung nagsimula ako sa government and working as a technical specialist, I'm just like, my stress level went down from 90 to 10. So everyone is very helpful, and medyo may edad na rin yung mga ibang kasama ko. So actually ako yung pinakabata dun, and the one na pinalitan ko is like 30 years na sa company, and he retired. So nag-hire sila ng bagong technical specialist, and then timing na nakita ko yung post nila, so I tried to apply, and out of like thousands of applicants na lahat ng mga IT dito is, I mean, majority of the IT dito, probably 99% is gusto makapasok sa government agency because the job is like really secure, the benefits are all there, the stress level is not that high, the salary is like way above than the standard IT, and I'm just lucky na ako yung nakapasok doon, and I did like 2 exams and 3 interviews. The process was like really long. It took them 3 or 4 months to get back at me. Actually, hindi na ako masyadong nag-expect nun because ang daming competition, and I was just lucky, and ako yung napili nila. So yun guys, this is just to give you an update because I haven't like made a vlog to like update you about what I've been doing here, about kumusta na yung job ko and all those stuff, because a lot of you are wondering why I'm not vlogging anymore. So yun po, last 3 months ago I resigned from my job as a network engineer kasi nga napasok ako dito sa government, and it's still work from home, and I can just go to the office anytime I want to, especially if may kailangan i-set up doon or may sasend ako ng laptop, so pupunta ako sa office. But aside from that, dito lang ako sa bahay. Also, as I showed you earlier, today's Mipo's last day in Scotiabank. Marami na sigurong nakakita sa inyo doon na nandun si Mipo nag-work, but it's her last day today because she found a better opportunity as well. Still this time a full-time job, and hindi ko muna sasabihin, but she's doing well. It's just like blessings after blessings since we got here. So I'm just so thankful. Just continue to be a blessing to others, to inspire you guys, and hopefully meron kayong natututunan pag nanonood kayo sa vlog ko, either about St. John or about life. So yun lang. And yeah, I'll see if I continue to make a vlog. And talk to you in a bit.
A few moments later.
Made by DJI and Bukini Lang.
So I have two laptops here. This one is a brand new. I already used this. And there's one more here. Pero hindi ko na lalagyan because hindi ko matapos ko. Okay, so it is 1:50 p.m. and that is our office right there.
One eternity later.
Okay, so it's 5 p.m. and natagalan ako kasi ang dami pang chika-chikang nangyari. I talked to like one of the cyber security, senior cyber security specialist here sa company, and it was really inspiring. He was like teaching me what course to take, ano yung mga gagawin, and yeah, like basically yung certificates namin is like the same lang, except for the MSSP, yung cybersecurity na certificate. But aside from that, like we have ITEL, CCNA, network security expert, and all those stuff. So yan yung gusto kong maging target probably after a year na nag-work ako dito. So yan yung next goal.
One eternity later.
So how's your
That's the
last
last.
day?
It was okay. I'm gonna miss them. Really.
One eternity later.
Okay, so we're home. Hindi ko na natapos yung video, but I'm just gonna end it here. Thank you so much for watching, and hanggang sa sunod na video, amping.
Lifted me up, you sailed me away. The world keeps on turning, the struggles never end. We take